Beneath the waves of dotted trees, where the sun meets the sky, in the hush of the morning, as the world comes alive, our paths intertwined, like a waltz in the breeze. In that golden sunrise, you were all I could see. When the wind whispers through the hills, a melody pure and true, like a river running wild and free. Our love was born a timeless harmony. It feels like forever. It feels like forever. Beneath the towering rubber trees, where shadows gently sway, we found a connection words couldn't convey. In the peace of the moment, our hearts beat as one. In this Highland serenade, our journey had begun. When the wind whispers through the hills, a melody pure and true, like a river running wild and free. Our love was born a timeless harmony. It feels like forever. It feels like forever. A fleeting look, a promise made. In the land of rolling hills, our love never swayed. Though time may pass and seasons change, in our hearts it forever feels like the first day.